guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, my name is Dana. I have never had a tea come so highly recommended to me from you guys. So today I'm gonna try it, White Peach. White Peach is sort of a new addition to DaVIDStea's Orchard collection. They came out with pretty much the same collection last year, but without White Peach. So there's a tea called Just Beat It, Pear Blossom, and last year there was Wild Strawberry, but this year they didn't bring back Wild Strawberry and they did White Peach instead. We'll get our tea steeping and then we'll have the chance to check it out. Since this is a white tea, I am using water that's like nowhere near boiling temperature. I made my tea like at this point an hour ago, my morning tea. So now I just have some like hot water. It's nothing even close to boiling temperature. So it shouldn't harm the delicate white tea leaves or anything. So everybody has been telling me that this one is awesome. It apparently has like a peaches and cream sort of feel. And you know what? I can smell that. It almost has like a caramely undertone. So another peach tea at DaVIDStea is the Just Peachy. And that one's an herbal tea. And this to me doesn't really look like it's gonna be very different than that, except for the fact that there is white tea in this, whereas Just Peachy is an herbal, so there's no tea leaves in it. So let's look at the ingredients. Called White Peach, obviously white tea. And with a white tea, you want to use a lower water temperature. On here it says that you can use 195 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 5 minutes. But when I worked at DaVIDStea, we had two different hot water buttons when we would make the drinks in store. One was 175 degrees, one was 195 degrees. So for our white teas, we always used 175. This irresistibly juicy blend of white tea, peaches, and cream is our new love. Ingredients: apple, white tea, apple pumice, marigold flowers, peach, natural and artificial flavoring, and there is low caffeine. Okay, so checking out the ingredients, it definitely smells sweet. It does smell a lot like the Just Peachy, but honestly, the tea that comes to mind first that I most want to compare this to is sweet apple cider that they would release sometimes during the holidays. Apple cider was like an apple and vanilla sort of tea. It was an herbal tea, and even like the tea blend looks a lot like this in my opinion. I think the main difference in this is that obviously there's peach, but also the marigold flowers. I don't know if we'll actually taste any like floral notes in this because I really think it's gonna be like very much peaches and cream flavor. You know what, I guess it is a little bit different than the Just Peachy because it doesn't have sweet blackberry leaves. So I guess this is gonna get its sweetness mostly from the apple and I guess from the peach, but I definitely smell like an artificial like cream flavor, but it smells so good. Like if you know me, you know I don't really care about like the artificial flavors. Like it doesn't bother me as much as it seems to bother other people. But I am really excited that this is a white tea and not just another herbal tea because I definitely prefer like tea to be tea. I think it's really cool that it's like a peaches and cream flavor, but I feel like the name White Peach doesn't really tell us that it's gonna be peaches and cream. I guess I wasn't really like drawn to this tea until you guys started saying how amazing it is. White Peach just sounds like a tea that you could literally get anywhere. I think there's a White Peach at Adagio as well. So I just wasn't super interested. Like I've already tried Just Peachy. I like peach teas, but it's not really something that I was like, oh my God, that sounds amazing. Like I have to try that, or like something so unique that you would want to try it. But if they called it something with like the peaches and cream flavor worked in, and I think I would have been a lot more interested, to be honest, because like peaches and cream isn't really something that like you can get anywhere, but I feel like a white peach tea sort of is. I definitely don't want to oversteep this, and the color is super light, but I'm going to go ahead and take the infuser out because if you oversteep white tea leaves, it'll definitely get a bitterness and we don't want that. So it's a super pale, almost yellowy color, and it definitely smells like peach. It's time to give it a taste. Okay, so it definitely tastes how it smells. Yeah, it tastes like peaches and cream. It's not like the strongest peach flavor, but it has like almost a like caramely note to it. Yeah, you know what? It's really nice. It's definitely like a light flavor altogether. I mean, any white tea, there should be like sort of a lightness to it, and it shouldn't be like a flavor that hits you over the head, or else you're gonna like lose the flavor of the tea entirely, and then it might as well be an herbal tea. It really just tastes like a light, sweet peach tea with maybe like a few notes of like creamy vanilla-ness, but you know, just like a light white peach. Yeah, it's really a nice sweet hint of peaches and cream. I think I could really enjoy this tea, and I am kind of glad that they brought it out for like late summer, early fall instead of just as a summer tea. I definitely think that this is a nice transition from like the summer into fall, because like I said, there's almost a caramely thing going on in it, which like makes me feel like it's sort of fall. And I think this could be good hot or iced. I really like this tea, and I really want to thank you guys for an awesome recommendation. It is super delicious, and I'm glad you told me to try it. So always let me know your favorite teas, and if there's anything new that you haven't seen me try that you think I would love, definitely let me know, because I love your suggestions. I love having new ideas of new teas to try. Even if they're a different brand besides DaVidStea, I'm always open to suggestions. I hope you guys enjoyed my first impression of white peach, and I hope you're having a beautiful summer, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.